Health insurance feels simple until the day you actually need to file a claim. And that's when most people start getting confused which claim type should be selected, whether the claim should be cashless or reimbursement, where documents need to be uploaded, and what exact process need to be followed. And honestly, even a small mistake during claim filing can lead to unnecessary delays, repeated queries, or payment issues. And that's why understanding the correct process beforehand is extremely important. And many people end up selecting the wrong claim category, uploading incomplete documents, or missing important details without even realizing it. And because of that, their claim process gets delayed unnecessarily. And before I explain the complete process, make sure you watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important detail. Hi, I am Mariam and you are watching PolicyHub. At PolicyHub, we make insurance simple and easy to understand. And if you prefer watching videos in Hindi, do check out our Hindi channel as well. In today's video, we will understand how to file a Tata AIG claims step by step. Whether your claim is related to hospitalization, health checkups, pre and post hospitalization expenses, this video will guide you through the complete process in the easiest way possible. I will also show you how to fill the claim form annually. Now to file the claim online, which sections are mandatory and which documents you need to attach to avoid delays or rejections. So before filing a claim, make sure all your documents are properly arranged. For example, if you are filing a pre and post hospitalization claim, you may require documents like discharge summary, doctor's prescriptions, medical reports, bills, ID proofs, and a cancel check. And also make sure the file size of your documents is less than 8 MB before uploading. So now let's start with the claim form filling process sections by section. So section A contains details of primary insured or insurance history. So in the first section, you need to fill in the details of the primary insured person and start by mentioning your Tata AIG policy number exactly as mentioned in your policy document. And if your health card contains a TP ID or member ID, mention that as well. Then write the full name, complete residential address, mobile number, and register email ID of the insured person carefully because Tata AIG may contact you if any clarification is required during claim processing. If you had any previous health insurance policy, mention those details as well. Otherwise, you can leave that sections blank or write not applicable. You will also see questions regarding previous hospitalization history and family physician details. So if applicable, mention them correctly. Otherwise, you can simply select no and wherever required. Next is section B, and section B contains details of insured person hospitalized. So in this section, you need to fill in the details of the patient who received the treatment. Mention the patient's full name, gender, age, date of birth, relationship with the primary insured, occupation, and active contact number. If identification details like Aadhaar number, PAN number, passport, or any other ID proof are asked, make sure you enter the correct details carefully. Section C contains details of hospitalization. So this is one of the most important sections because here you need to mention all treatments related information, starting by mentioning the complete hospital or diagnostic center name. Then select the room category such as single private room, shared room, or ICU if hospitalization was involved. Next, mention the admission and discharge date correctly. And in case of a health checkup claim, you can simply mention the date on which the test or checkup were done. And in the diagnostic or illness section, mention the disease or treatment or reason for the health checkup exactly as mentioned in the medical document. And if the claim is accident related, then you also need to mention accident details. Otherwise, for normal treatment or health checkup claims, you can mention the relevant treatment reason accordingly. You will also need to select the treatment types such as allopathic, Ayurveda, homeopathy, dental, diagnostic, or health checkup. If the claim is not related to accident or maternity, simple select no in those sections. Section D contains details of claim. This section is related to the amount you are claiming. Here you need to select the correct claim categories such as hospitalization, pre and post hospitalization, daycare treatment, OPD, or health checkups. If you are filing a health checkup claim, mention the amount under the health checkup sections only. One important thing to remember is that you should always enter the exact bill amount because the same amount should match with the bills and payment receipts you upload. For example, if your total health checkup bill is 5,000, that mention 5,000 only and avoid entering approximate or random amounts. Section E contains details of bill enclosed. In this section, you need to mention the details of all bills and document attached with the claim form. Fill in the bill number, bill date, hospitals or diagnostic center name and exact bill amount carefully. At the end, calculate the grand total properly and make sure it matches the total amount of all submitted bills and invoices. Next is section F. This contains details of primary insured bank account. This section is extremely important because your reimbursement amount will be credited to this bank account. And here mention the PAN number, bank account number, bank name, branch name and IFSC code carefully. You may also need to attach a cancelled check or bank passbook copy for verification. One important thing to remember is that the account holder name should match the policy holder details to avoid unnecessary delays in reimbursement. Section G contains declaration by the insured. And finally, the insured person needs to sign the declaration section. Before signing, carefully recheck all important details like policy number, insured name, claim amount, and bank details because even a small mismatch can delay the claim process. And along with the Tata AIG claim form, you usually need to attach documents like original bills, payment receipts, doctor prescriptions, diagnostic reports, discharge summary if hospitalized, health checkup reports, cancelled check copy, and ID proof if required. Also, always keep a scanned copy or photocopies of all submitted documents for your own records. And now, after filling out the claim form, the next important step is understanding how to file the claim online. Basically, you have three options to intimate your claim. The first option is through the official Tata AIG website. The second option is through the Tata AIG mobile application. And if you are unable to use both options, you can also intimate your claim through Tata AIG's customer first email support by sharing all the required claim details and documents. But in this video, I will specifically guide you on how to file the claim online through the official Tata AIG website. First of all, visit the official Tata AIG website and click on the claim section. After that, select the product category related to your insurance. Since we are filing a health insurance claim in this video, we will select health insurance. Next, you need to enter your registered mobile number. After OTP verification, you will get the option to select the insured person for whom you want to raise the claim. Simply select the insured member and move ahead. Then you will see different claim type options such as health checkup, hospitalization, OPD, pre and post hospitalization, OPD, dental or hearing aid claim. So in this demo, we are selecting health checkup claim, and after selecting the claim type, you need to mention the admission and discharge date. So in case of a health checkup claim, mention the date on which the checkup or blood tests were conducted. Then in the illness or diagnostic section, simply mention health checkup. If your claim is related to pre and post hospitalization, then make sure you mention the original hospitalization dates and proper diagnosis details correctly. Next, enter the exact expense amount as per your bills. Remember, whatever amount you enter here should exactly match your uploaded payment receipt and invoices. After clicking on submit, you will get the document upload option. Upload all required documents carefully. In health checkup claim, consultation papers are usually not available, so you can upload your health reports in that section instead. And then upload the bills, cancelled check, ID proof and any other required documents. Once everything is uploaded properly, click on the final submit button. After submission, a confirmation page will open where you can track your claim status or even file a claim for another insured person. One more important thing to remember is that Tata AIG health checkups are now mostly available on a cashless basis. So wherever possible, it is better to get your health checkup done through a Tata AIG network lab using the cashless facility itself. And if you still choose reimbursement, then you may need to provide a proper explanation regarding why the health checkups was done on a reimbursement basis instead of cashless. So this was the complete step-by-step process to file a Tata AIG reimbursement claim both online and offline. And I hope this video helped you to understand the claim filing process in the easiest way possible. And if you still have any confusion regarding claim filing, reimbursement or document submission, you can connect with us directly for guidance. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to PolicyHub for more simple and practical insurance guidance videos. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.